The state of toilets in Indian court complexes, an urgent wake-up call. Namaskar, brothers and sisters. Today, I want to raise a very basic but deeply troubling issue, one that touches the dignity, health, and working conditions of thousands of legal professionals and millions of citizens. The condition of toilets and sanitation in Indian court complexes. Yes, it may sound like a small issue to some, but for those who visit courts regularly, advocates, litigants, staff, even judges, this is not a small matter. This is a matter of basic human dignity. Real situation on ground. I have personally visited court complexes across different parts of India. What I have observed, and what many of you have experienced, is frankly unacceptable in a civilized democracy. Toilets that are unclean, unusable, and sometimes completely shut. No running water. No proper doors. No cleaning staff in sight. Inadequate numbers. Imagine 2 toilets for 400 people in a session. And the worst part, people fall sick. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, dehydration, or simply holding back nature's call for 5 to 6 hours. We are expected to argue for justice, to fight for others' rights, but where is our right to basic hygiene? Impact on the legal ecosystem. This is not just a cleanliness issue. It's a public health issue, a safety issue, and above all, a systemic neglect issue. Let me ask, if advocates, the officers of the court, are suffering like this, what about clients, elderly litigants, pregnant women or children who have to wait hours for hearings? Should they be treated like second-class citizens in the very institutions meant to deliver justice? Why has it come to this? Why are these court premises still running with infrastructure that belongs to the 70s and 80s? The answer is administrative apathy. The Public Works Department blames lack of funds. The judiciary doesn't see this as a core legal issue. But I ask you, if the basic dignity of every person entering a court is being violated, how can justice truly be served? What must be done? A call to action. This is my humble appeal, as a legal professional, as an economist, and as a citizen. Let's make clean, usable toilets part of the court modernization agenda. Let us urge the judiciary to include sanitation as part of judicial infrastructure reforms. Let bar councils and associations make a united representation to the Chief Justice of India and to every High Court. Let civil society raise its voice, because this is not a private problem. It's a public shame. Friends, I believe that even the strongest voice of dissent must be constructive. This video is not to blame or to shame, but to awaken, because no court should smell like a neglected corner of society. Justice must be delivered in places that reflect cleanliness, dignity, and humanity. If you agree, please like, share, and spread this message. Let's be the voice of change, inside and outside the courtroom. Thank you.